Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, we want hairstyles that are easy to manage, comfortable and still look stylish. The good news is there are many beautiful haircuts that need very little time and effort. Let's start with the classic bob haircut. The bob is one of the best low maintenance hairstyles. It is short, neat and easy to style. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. It looks neat, elegant and works well for all face shapes. Next is the pixie cut. This is very short haircut that is perfect if you want something simple and quick. You don't need much styling, just a little brushing and you are ready to go. It also gives a fresh and youthful look. Another great option is a layered shoulder length cut. If you don't like very short hair, this is perfect for you. Layers add volume and movement, so your hair looks full without much effort. You can leave it natural or style it lightly. For women with curly or wavy hair, a soft layered cut is a great choice. It helps control the hair and keeps it looking neat. You don't need to use heat tools every day, just let your natural texture shine. You also have short layered cut for fine hair. If your hair is thin, layers can make it look thicker. This style is easy to manage and does not require much time. Now let's talk about hair color. Grey hair is very beautiful and natural. Many women choose to keep their grey hair and style it with a nice haircut. It looks elegant and confident. You can also add soft highlights if you want a little change. It adds brightness without needing too much maintenance. Another important thing is easy styling. Choose a haircut that looks good even without styling tools. Use a simple comb and a little oil or light hair cream and you are ready to go. Low maintenance haircuts save time and make your daily routine easier. They also help you feel comfortable and confident. So choose a haircut that suits your face, your hair type and your lifestyle. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and stylish tips. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.